Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation.
If you work in construction, carpentry, remodeling, or any craft that demands consistent and accurate measurements, the REEKON T1 Tomahawk digital tape measure is one of those tools that instantly upgrades your workflow. It takes the classic measuring tape we all rely on and transforms it into a smart, digital, and incredibly precise measuring system that helps you work faster, forget fewer measurements, and stay more organized throughout the day. If you want to check this product out for yourself, the product link is in the description below right away. You notice how the T1 feels like a professional grade tool. It has a rugged build meant for job site environments, and its compact shape makes it easy to handle whether you're measuring long pieces of lumber, interior spaces, or working overhead. What really stands out is the accuracy. This digital tape is self-calibrating and delivers precision beyond 1/32nd of an inch or 0.5 millimeters. That level of accuracy is the difference between a job that fits perfectly and a job that needs rework. And with fully replaceable blades, you never have to worry about wear, damage, or drag affecting your measurements. You simply swap the blade and keep working with the same level of accuracy. One of the most impressive features is the side-mounted e-paper display. Once you start using it, you wonder how you ever worked without it. Every measurement you take can be stored instantly, and the tape can save up to 500 readings. That means no more writing measurements on scrap wood or try to remember numbers in your head while moving between tasks. You can view them, reorder them, and delete them as needed. For anyone who works with cut lists, room layouts, cabinetry, or repeated measurements, this feature alone saves a ton of time. Something else that steps this tool up is the integrated green laser guide. It projects a fine, crisp alignment line directly from the front measuring surface. This makes marking, aligning, and squaring up incredibly easy, especially when you're working alone or lining up cuts over long distances. The green laser is more visible than standard red lasers, which makes a noticeable difference in brighter environments. It is a Class 2 laser well within safe power limits and designed specifically for job site clarity and precision. The T1 is also built around convenience and flexibility. From the quick action menu, you can switch between measurement units like inches, feet, centimeters, millimeters, or even fractional inches depending on the job. It can handle internal measurements and relative zeroing, letting you start from any point with a simple reset. It also includes center finding for tasks like mounting, balancing, or installing fixtures. These features turn the tool into more than just a tape measure. It becomes a digital measuring system that adapts to nearly every situation you encounter on a job site. For those who like to keep everything synced and organized, the T1 connects wirelessly to the Rock Jobsite app. This lets you send measurement lists, cut lists, markups, and annotated notes directly to teammates or your own devices. If you work in a team-based environment or handle complex builds, this level of communication streamlines the entire process. It reduces errors, saves time, and ensures that everyone has the exact same measurements and layout information. The durability of this tool is another major highlight. It is engineered from rugged materials designed to handle real-world job site conditions. It is drop-tested, water-resistant, dust-resistant, and built to survive daily wear and tear. Even the holster is designed with job site safety in mind. The belt clip holster protects the T1 from impacts and makes sure it stays secure at your side, ready the moment you need it. There is also an anchor point for a wrist strap, which helps when working at heights or on unstable surfaces where dropping tools is both dangerous and costly. The REEKON T1 Tomahawk is made for professionals who want a high level of accuracy, convenience, and workflow efficiency. It is a tool that not only measures but also stores, organizes, and communicates your data. Whether you build furniture, install drywall, design cabinetry, frame houses, or handle custom fabrication, this tape measure becomes an essential upgrade to how you work. With digital accuracy, e-paper storage, Bluetooth syncing, a green laser guide, rugged construction, and user-focused design, it offers a smarter and faster way to measure every part of your project. If you want to check this product out for yourself, the product link is in the description below.